How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on an iPhone. Lost important WhatsApp messages on your iPhone? Don't panic. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, even if you don't have a backup. WhatsApp on iPhone, just like on Android, allows you to back up your messages to the cloud, ensuring your chats are safe. As long as you have backups enabled, your messages are stored in iCloud Drive, and you can easily see when the last backup was made right from the WhatsApp settings. So, how do you recover deleted messages? It's simple. Check storage space. Before you start, make sure you have enough free space on your device. Ideally, your available storage should be at least twice the size of your backup. For example, if your backup is 1 GB, you should have at least 2 GB of free space to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Uninstall WhatsApp. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your device by selecting Delete App. Step 2. Reinstall WhatsApp. Head over to the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and download it again. Step 3. Restore your chat history. Once WhatsApp is installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be prompted by iOS to restore your chat history. Tap Restore Chat History to recover all your deleted messages. That's it! With these simple steps, you can recover your deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone. If you don't have a backup, there are third-party apps you can try, but keep in mind that they might require a paid subscription. If this guide helped you recover your messages, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new tutorials.